PNNL as a national laboratory is so successful in the international engagement space because our trainers are more than just trainers. They are first subject matter experts turned formal certified instructors. They are coming from years of experience in these topical areas, which they can apply to the classroom.
Our goal was to really show something that not everybody can do. Here at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, we have amazing resources in laboratories on the Hanford site. And so our guiding principle as we started to develop training materials was to really incorporate what we do in person and take advantage of the fact that we can show that and broadcast to anywhere in the world with technology that we have.
We don't treat training just like training. We do things like vulnerability assessments, which include physical assessments, cyber physical assessments at our partner facilities and ports of entry around the world. We conduct tabletop exercises with foreign government agencies to reinforce the importance of cooperation, communication, and response. We conduct scenario-based facilitated discussions and subject matter expertise consultations. Most recently, this has involved discussions on COVID response, addressing topics like biosecurity, physical security, as well as helping our partners develop standard operating procedures on a variety of these topics. In 2019, PNNL conducted 2,637 international trips with more than 1,400 instructors in 124 countries. In March 2020, we had to completely pivot on how we presented our mission to our foreign partners. We went from approximately 50 international trips a week to 0.
The pandemic has impacted our ability to deliver these events in person. Although virtual delivery has its limitations, it's also been really rewarding to be able to continue doing the work we do and maintain and continue the relationship with our partner agencies.
We have a chance to share what we have here in Richland, Washington. We can't stop that because our goal is to help the frontline officers, the policymakers, the people who are still dealing with the pandemic in their country and their region. And that's one of the beauties of the laboratory is you have people with all kinds of subject matter expertise. We can still stress, here's how you keep yourself safe from a coronavirus or from a chemical weapon or a radiological material.